Welcome on board to Doha. Hamad International Airport is based in the capital of Qatar, which is Doha. It caters to one of the largest airlines in the world that serves all continents. It is among the busiest airports in the Middle East and competes with Dubai. Please subscribe to our channel. Qatar has a large migrant population from the Indian subcontinent and thus serves cities in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. Several airlines from these countries also operate multiple direct flights to Doha. Qatar Airways was one of the few airlines to operate services right through the pandemic shutdowns. Doha Airport offers lots of avenues to spend during the transit waiting period. The country also offers visa on arrival options to many nationalities. It has a metro network. If you have layover time in Doha, get the visa on arrival and take time to experience the Souk, the Museum of Islamic Art. Katara Cultural Village is the culture hub of the city with artist spaces, galleries, and an outdoor amphitheater, which host festivals and concerts. Uber is the easiest way to get around and ensure you'll get to your destination without issues. Local taxis and buses are available. Metro is a good option. Arabic and English are widely spoken languages. If you plan to stay within the airport during the layover, no visa is necessary. However, if you're thinking about heading out to explore the city of Doha, most nationalities are eligible for visa-free entry or can obtain a visa on arrival. A 6-hour layover might be too tight to comfortably leave Doha airport. If you'd like to explore Doha during a layover, consider choosing connecting flights with at least an 8-hour layover. A longer layover will provide sufficient time to visit key attractions. Consider booking a transit tour for a seamless and enjoyable experience.
The local time here is 25 minutes past 5 o'clock in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off.
Please subscribe to our channel and let us grow. Welcome to Doha.